My allergies are acting up, folks, so in this set of videos, as I'm recording them, that's probably why I'm not talking as much.
Are you ready?
No. Anyway, TFG and Mike from the GeekCast Radio Network. Visit geekcastradio.com for all your podcasting needs for me and my friends. Well, dang it, it destroyed my burger before I could combo it with anything. That's not what I wanted it to do.
Sup, ladies?
Dang it. Come on. Oh, I always forget about the power-ups up top somehow, some way, some reason. I don't know why. I mean, I don't forget about them, but I kind of do forget about them sometimes. Sorry, folks. Stop it. There we go. Stop it. There we go. Well, it's not exactly what I wanted it to do, but sure. Why not?
I have the power! Sup, ladies?
Okay.
Thanks, friend.
There we go.
Sup, ladies?
Oh, wow. That was quick. Seriously?
I have the power!
There we go. Very cool. Ah, I missed this being a short by like 10 seconds. You blithering blatherskite. Damn it. That sucks. Anyway, folks, TFG and Mike, GeekCast Radio Network. Check it out. And I will catch you in the next one.